What's up guys, this is Bobby Shehzad, and today we are going to create our first funnel, and we are also going to start with an opt-in funnel. So first of all, go to my funnels. Here you can see all your existing funnels, your opt-in funnels, sales funnels, membership funnels, and webinar funnels. To create a new funnel, click on Add New. Today we are going to create an opt-in funnel because we want to capture the leads. If I wanted to sell something, I would choose sales funnel, and if I want to create an online course, I would choose membership funnel. But today we want to build an opt-in funnel. Give your funnel a name. So congratulations, you just created your first funnel. So let's understand how the steps work. So this is your step 1. This is where your visitors are going to land first. This is the first page they are going to see. And after they take an action on this page, they are going to be redirected to the second page, which is the thank you page. So this is the opt-in page. This is the thank you page. On the opt-in page, I want to capture the name and email address of the person. So here are different templates available for me, and these are the opt-in templates. Then I can also change the template types from here, but I just want an opt-in template here. So I will select a template where I can capture the name and email address of a person. Okay. So I'm going with for example, I'm going with this one. Okay. This is important that you select a template. Okay. Now I'm going to edit this template inside my drag and drop builder. But first of all, I also want to add a upsell in between these two steps. So what I will do is I will go to the add new page and I will call it Upsell 1, and then I will select the type as Upsell. Okay, I will give it a path. So when I give it a path, then I choose a template from here. Now what happens is this path appears in my URL. So I can always go from here and preview my URL. As you can see, this creates an SEO friendly path here. So this is the advantage of using a path. So now you can see that this new upsell has been created at the bottom of the funnel, but I want it to be in between these two pages. So what I will do is I'll simply drag and drop here. Now the order and sequence of the funnel has been changed. So what happens is, first of all, my visitor will come to this page, which is my lead capture page. Then they give me their name and email, and then they will be redirected to this page. And then they will be redirected to the thank you page. So I also have to choose a template for the thank you page. So this is what I'm going to do now. I choose this template. Now what I want to do is I want to customize this template. I want to add my own text. I want to add some images, maybe some video. So I will go to the editor. This will take a little while to load. Okay, now my page has been loaded in the editor. So this is a drag and drop editor, as you can see from here. Let's say I want to add my logo here. So what I will do is I'm gonna go to the elements and I'm going to the media. Okay, this is image. Okay, I'm gonna drag and drop this image here. So as simple as that, I just dragged and dropped my image here, but this is an empty image. So I will have to choose my image from my media gallery. So it will take a while. I will select my image logo, and as you can see, this logo has been added to my page. Now let's say I want to change the text of this headline. Okay, I want to change it to join my newsletter, for example. Okay, so I can simply type that, and now I want to make the size of this text a little smaller because it doesn't fit on one line. So I'll make it, let's say, 48. Okay, so as you can see, the text size has been changed. Now I can also change the color of this text and the background color of this text, make it bold, italic, underline, or I can change its heading style. I can left align or right align it, or make it a link even. So all this is possible from here. Now I want to, let's say I also want to add a first name field. So how I will do that? I will simply duplicate this field. Okay, and I'll move this up because this up arrow will move it upwards. Okay, now there is, as you can see, there is no gap or margin between these two fields. So what I will do is I will go to the settings, then I will go to the style and margin, and I will increase the bottom margin, and you see how it moves as I'm changing the margin of this page, of this field. So I change the bottom margin, and see what happens is that it is now reasonably spaced. So now I also want to change this placeholder text and the name of this field. So I will go again to the settings. I will go to map to and change it to the first name, and this is the placeholder text. I will change it to enter your first name. Okay, so see what happens. This is now officially a first name field. So what I did, I went to the settings, I changed map to, I can change it to the cell phone. I can keep adding the fields, cell phone, address, city, state, zip, as many fields as I want, and I can add up to 20 custom fields as well. So, and then I can give it a type, like I can give it a text, I can give it a radio button. So these are different types that I can give it. Okay, it is this is pretty much it. Our opt-in form is ready, and this is ready to accept the leads. So I will save this. Now I have to go back into my InterFunnels account and do one very important setting, because when this form is filled, I want the email and name to be saved inside my MailChimp account. Okay, so how I will do that, I will go to settings, then go to the autoresponder, and here I will select yes. I want to use MailChimp because I can also use Aweber, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse. All these autoresponder services are fully integrated with InterFunnels, but I am going to use MailChimp. Now it is asking me the API key for my MailChimp account. Okay, so I'm going to put my API key, and then I'm going to click the save button. Okay, so now I go to the page settings of my opt-in page. This is my opt-in page. Okay, and from here I will go to the autoresponder. Okay, now I will turn this on when visitor exit or submit form on this page. So what action do I want? I want to add subscribers to a list. So I will add them to this list. For example, these are my MailChimp lists. Okay, these are all my MailChimp lists or audiences, whatever you call them. And I can also remove them from another list on the same action, but I will not do that right now. So I will just save this. Okay, so now what will happen is I'm going to change the sequence of this for a moment so that I can show you how the opt-in works. So now I go to this page, I put my name, I put my emails, and I submit this. Here you go. This is my thank you page. I can give them a download link here. I can show them some other instructions here. But the bottom line is that when I go to the leads, I see one new lead 20 seconds ago. So this is the lead that I just captured. I can download these leads. I can use them as a CRM. So this is essentially a opt-in funnel, but this was a one-step opt-in funnel. What if I want to add multiple steps in an opt-in funnel? So what I will do is I will add another page and I will name it an opt-in type, and I will call it step 2, and here also I will call it step 2. I will add this page. Okay, now I want this page to be relatively simple. So what I will do is I will use a blank template. Okay, and I will open this in an editor. So a blank template is a very good way to build a page from scratch. So this is your section. This is asking me to add a new row. So I want it to be very, very simple. So I'll add a, let's say, 3-column row. Here I want to add an image for my logo, and then I want another row where I will put my form. I want it to be 1 column, maybe, yeah, I want it to be 3 column as well. I want it to be a bit wider. Okay, so now it is asking me to add some element here. So what I will do is I will click this and then go to the forms and click on a form. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it step 2, add more information about yourself. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I have already captured the first name. I will change it to the cell number and change the placeholder. Okay, and then here I want to capture their city. Okay, and I will change the placeholder to be city name. Okay, and then I want to also create another field which will be a custom field. Okay, I want to ask them for their let's say date of birth. So this will go to my custom field, date of birth. Okay, so this is my step 2. Okay, so I will just save this. Now I go back to my steps and I will put this between first step and the thank you page. Now what happens is I will go back to my preview. I'll put my name. I'm going to slightly change this because I already used this email. Now, instead of going to the thank you page, this time I was landed on the step 2 of my funnel. Okay, you see this step 2 I just created. You can put your logo over here, but I will put my any cell number, city, date of birth. I can put anything here and get access now. Now the thank you page is the third step. So it is showing right now. So I will go back to my leads. As you can see, so what happened is that it has created a new lead for me, and here you can see my name, my cell phone number, and under the custom fields I have my date of birth as well here. So this is a multiple step opt-in funnel if you want to create one. I hope you like this video. In the coming videos we're going to show you how to create a sales funnel, how to create order forms, how to capture the payments. So keep watching these video tutorials and learn everything about this powerful InterFunnels system. It is very easy to use. Our support team is always available for your help. So you can always reach us by going to your dashboard and going to live chat, help desk, or you can also email us at support@interfunnels.com. Thank you so much.